It's already warming up. 9 o'clock maybe. So I just happened to be looking on booking.com because I'm at the current hotel until next Friday, the 26th. And I saw this place. And I actually walked down here and I made a short video. Don't know if I ever uploaded it. And I think I got just to the entrance of this place and I said, oh, this looks pretty nice. Well, it was showing $19.51 a night, breakfast included. I just wanted to take a look at it. It had pictures, but I've learned those pictures sometimes, you know, they're not giving a real good picture of the place. Well, this was a totally different story. I think he said his name is Guido. He took me up to the room, and I'm telling you, this place is absolutely beautiful. I mean beautiful. How come I didn't take the camera out while I was up there? But anyways, I'm going to stay there for 11 nights, the 26th, until I leave on May 7th. So it's going to be another week before I can show you what the inside looks like. And it's on this little back street. Little gravel road. I gotta watch because there's steps here, or I'll be landing on my head. Ambient Angkor Boutique. And who would ever think on these little streets, it looks just like the one I did yesterday. There's a hotel down there, and there's also this something elephant, baby elephant. Yeah, baby elephant. I think this was like $33, and that one I just looked at is around $20. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it a lot. For $3.80 more a night. So this is only maybe I don't know, maybe a 10-minute walk from where I'm staying right now. And somehow I seem to gravitate to this street over here. So right there where the vehicle just went by, that's the Angkor Night Market Street, where the Blue Palace and Tanai are located. I'm just a little bit further walk when I want to get down to Pub Street area. Be careful. So just before I went into the look at that hotel, there's a guy with a tuk-tuk right out front offer me a ride just like they always do. So for probably $1 or so, I can just get a ride down to Pub Street. So that's it. I'm going to get my passport and take it back and make my reservation.